हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर न्यू वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना। चैनल पर पहली बार आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना।
Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see stylish jeans poses for girls. So guys, these are the different jeans poses which are trending all around the social media. So I have collected these poses for your reference purpose. You can take poses ideas from these photos and click it for yourself. You can try these poses anywhere you want. As I always say, while taking the photograph, take a note of your background, add a perfect emotion and expression. Try various movements with your hands and arms. Finally, look for a perfect angle, which is a great way to naturally capture a candid movement. So guys, I am sure that this video will give you a perfect pose you desired. Thank you for watching the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, subscribe our channel, click the notification bell so you never miss any update from my channel. Keep watching.